If you want to learn how to buy a domain name and web hosting from Bluehost, this is the video for you. In this step-by-step Bluehost tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to purchase your domain name and hosting, choose the right hosting plan, and claim the best Bluehost discount available right now. Currently, Bluehost is offering an exclusive Bluehost discount where you can save up to 78% off hosting plans, plus get a free domain name included for your first year. I'll also cover a few important things beginners should know before checking out, so you don't accidentally choose the wrong plan or pay more than necessary. By the end of this video, you'll have your domain and hosting set up and be ready to start building your website. Let's get started. Click the Bluehost link in the description and you'll land on the exclusive Bluehost discount page. Quick disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, which means I'm earning a commission at no extra cost to you, and you still get the lowest pricing available. Once you click View WordPress Plans, you'll see the main hosting plans available. The first option is the One Site plan. This plan includes one website, great for smaller websites, blogs, portfolios, or personal sites. Next is the Starter plan. This includes up to 10 websites, 10 GB NVMe SSD storage, better for growing websites or multiple websites. Next is the Business Essentials plan, up to 50 websites, 50 GB NVMe SSD storage. This is a great option for growing websites, business websites, or users who want more performance, security, and room to scale. Then there's the E-commerce Essentials plan. This plan is best for online stores, business websites, or higher traffic websites that need more performance and advanced features. For most beginners creating one website, the One Site plan is perfectly fine to start with. If you want more flexibility or may build additional websites later, the Starter plan is usually the better value. After choosing your plan, you'll go to the free domain registration page. Here you can either register a brand new domain name, connect the domain you already own, or choose your domain later. If you're creating a new website, enter the domain name you want and click Search for Domain to see if it's available. If you already own a domain name, click I want to use a domain I already own. And if you're not ready to choose a domain yet, simply click Choose Domain later. Bluehost can provide a temporary domain so you can start building your website immediately and claim your free domain later. You may also see domain privacy plus protection during setup. This is optional, but it helps keep your personal contact information private in the public WHOIS database. Next, you'll arrive at the checkout page. Here, you can select your billing term length. Usually, the longer terms provide the biggest discount. Just keep in mind, annual plans include a free domain name. Monthly plans usually cost more overall. Monthly plans typically do not include a free domain. For this tutorial, I'm selecting the 12-month term. Next, create your Bluehost account using your email address and password. You may also see optional add-ons during checkout. These are completely optional, so feel free to select only what you actually need. Then enter your payment information and click Submit Payment to complete your purchase. Once your order is complete, Bluehost will email you your login information and receipt. After setup finishes, WordPress is usually installed automatically for you, making it easy to start building your website right away. Once WordPress is installed, you'll be taken to your Bluehost dashboard, where you can begin customizing your website, installing themes, creating pages, and building your site step by step. And the nice thing is, Bluehost keeps the process very beginner friendly, so even if you've never created a website before, it's pretty easy to get started. If you found this Bluehost tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more website tutorials, hosting reviews, and WordPress guides. And if you want to get the exclusive Bluehost discount with up to 78% off plus a free domain name, I placed the link down below in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.